Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is the last video for Facebook, and one that is probably going to be very popular. So in about a year ago, maybe less than a year ago, many months ago at least, I had posted a video on how to delete your Facebook account. And of course, Facebook changes things from time to time, so the information from that video is now changed and too old. So here is a new video, and this is as of today, June 26th, 2019. How do you delete your Facebook account? How do you completely remove yourself from Facebook? Well, I'll post the link in the description below the video. It's simply facebook.com/deactivate_delete_account. And I'll post the link to this page in the description below the video. If for some reason you don't see it, you simply go on the upper right, go into your settings, and in your settings, you'll go about your Facebook information. And that Facebook information contains a deactivation or delete Facebook account. So you have two things you'll be able to do. Deactivate your account. So deactivating your account will be temporary, and basically stuff that you have on this account will be still on your account. Pictures will not be shared. Things will not be shared with everybody, but the information is going to be there. So that means if your friends see a picture of you and you temporarily deactivate your account, that picture becomes unavailable to all of your friends. You can still continue using Messenger if that's the way you text message people, and that's a temporary way, deactivating your account to kind of still have the account there. The information is still there. Facebook has all the details. It's just that you're kind of out of reach from your friends in here. Permanently delete the account. If you really want to remove yourself from Facebook, this is the other option. Permanently delete account. So what happens here is that it is a permanent thing. You will have a certain number of days that you can actually change your mind, but after that delay, everything will be deleted. You won't be able to retrieve any information you shared. Messenger won't work anymore. All the messages, everything you posted, everything will be deleted permanently and gone from Facebook. So that's the hard way and the way to remove yourself completely. So that means, of course, if you shared pictures, if you had, all sorts of things, if you commented on, people posts, all of that will disappear because your account will not exist anymore. So that's the other option. You still have a few days, typically anywhere from, I think it's 2 weeks to a month or something. I don't remember the exact amount of time, to go back and get your account working again. But if you pass that delay, it's completely gone, and there won't be any way to actually get it back. You'll have to create yourself a new account. So the link to this page is in the description below the video, and if you decide that you want to leave Facebook for X reason, well, here is how you can do it. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.